guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm going to make a two-colored spiral shirt. To do this, I'm just going to spiral up my shirt the way I normally would and tie it up with some rubber bands. The colors that I'm using today are Nightshade and Razzle Dazzle. They're both Dharma Trading Company colors. I found the tag of the shirt, and that's the side of the shirt that I'm going to color, is where the neck is. So I'm starting in the middle and I'm going through the middle with the Nightshade, and I'm doing the rest of the side with Razzle Dazzle. Then I'm going to turn the shirt over and continue the pattern on the other side. Alright, so here's what our shirt ended up looking like. If you guys are enjoying watching these videos and seeing the designs, I sure would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel. All you have to do is hit that big red subscribe button. Thank you for watching.